This is the farmhouse, where I shot the Farmhouse video series. In this book 11, I'm going to go over the updates that we've done over the last 12 years, one room a year, and some things worked out and some things didn't. So just like the horse and buggy and the rail fence, we updated a few things that just didn't work out. For the mudroom, there was only one update. With the little laser heater in the outer wall of the mudroom, I wanted to take some of that heat and blow it into the kitchen. So I needed a fan that would mount in the wall, but I needed it adjustable for speed and to be controlled by a thermostat. So I chose an AC Infinity Air Tap 4. That gave me the ability to set the temperature and the speed. It was designed to read the temperature of an air duct, so I couldn't use it exactly the way I wanted to. So I set it just for speed, not temperature. I used a Ranco thermostat to control it. But anyway, we mounted it in the wall right by the door, and I just turned it on and made sure that it was working. So that's why the wire is on the outside, but later I put it on the inside. So what I did was, when I cut the hole through the wall, I took some thin wood and made a little duct and then caulked those edges so that it was airtight. And then on the back side, I just put a little grill. And just above the grill is the switch that turns the fan on and off. And just below and to the left, that black stick, that is the temperature sensor for the Ranco thermostat. What I ended up doing was I took it and I put it inside the little cupboard that I built years ago, and then just ran the wires up and around. And as the temperature in the room warms up, the Ranco thermostat will turn the fan on and blow the air into the kitchen, and the cold air in the kitchen on the floor is brought in, warmed, and it goes back up to the ceiling, and that's how the air is circulated. And it does make a difference. So that is the only update over the life of the mudroom that we made. Everything else worked out quite well.